Welcome to the best picks. The best bullet antenna is probably one of the most practical and efficient antenna solutions available today. Its sleek design and robust performance make it a favorite for both amateur radio operators and professionals. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and real-world applications of the bullet antenna, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Number 5. Ronin Factory 50 Calories Bullet Antenna. Worried about someone stealing your antenna? This bullet antenna features an anti-theft design with pre-applied thread-locking compound. You can rest assured that it will stay securely on your truck. This antenna fits a wide range of Ford and Ram trucks. It's designed for easy installation, so you can upgrade your truck in minutes. Simply unscrew your old antenna and screw this one in place. The package includes all the necessary hardware for installation. It comes with thread adapters to fit both Ford and Ram trucks. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. Made with stainless hardware and solid billet aluminum, this antenna is built to last. The hard anodized black finish is designed to resist chipping. It's a durable accessory for your truck. The solid construction means it can withstand car washes. It's perfect for those who use Bluetooth or auxiliary audio inputs. This antenna is designed for your convenience. Give your truck a unique look with this 50 caliber bullet style antenna. It has the same dimensions as a real 50 caliber bullet. Your friends will be impressed by this cool accessory. By supporting this product, you're supporting a U.S. patriotic company. The company has donated millions to charity organizations. It's a purchase that gives back. What we like. This antenna features a robust anti-theft design, giving you peace of mind. The durable construction ensures it can withstand the elements. If you're looking for a stylish upgrade and want to support a company that gives back, you should consider this one. It's perfect for those who want both security and a patriotic touch. What people say. Follow the instructions and this takes less than 5 minutes to install. I live in Northwest Indiana and receive strong signals from Chicago, SW Michigan and South Bend, Indiana. I am very happy with the antenna. Actually there are anti-theft. Good quality on both sound and build. Easy to install. Fit very well. Good signals. Works pretty good. Number 4. Ronin Factory Bullet Antenna for Chevy and GMC Trucks. Tired of the boring antenna on your truck? This bullet antenna will make your Chevy or GMC pickup truck stand out. It's a stylish upgrade that adds a unique touch to your vehicle. Worried about theft? This antenna comes with ToughLock thread locking compound to help secure it in place. While not permanent, it requires extra effort to remove, deterring potential thieves. Installing this antenna is a breeze. Simply unscrew your old antenna and screw this one in by hand. It takes less than 5 minutes, no tools needed. This antenna fits 2014 plus GMC Sierra and Chevy Silverado truck models. It also includes an M6 and M7 threaded adapter. Please note that it does not fit midsize Chevy and GMC trucks. Don't worry about losing your radio functions. This antenna is compatible with Bluetooth, Sirius XM, satellite radio, and auxiliary audio inputs. It's also easily removable if you need to change it in the future. Looking for truck accessories? Ronin Factory is your source for aftermarket antennas. This antenna is a great way to customize your truck. This antenna mast is the same size as a real 50 calories bullet. It's a unique and eye-catching replacement that is sure to turn heads. What we like. This antenna boasts an anti-theft design to keep it secure. Installation is a breeze, taking only minutes. If you value a simple upgrade that doesn't compromise your audio experience, you should consider this. It's ideal for those who want a quick, stylish, and secure antenna replacement. What people say. This one was incredibly easy to install, fits the Chevy Silverado perfectly, and is built with top-notch quality. Best of all, the radio reception is crystal clear with no issues. I get great reception, it looks great and fit absolutely fantastic. Very well made and worked as expected, I enjoy its stylish look. Number 3. EcoAuto Bullet Antenna for Ford and Dodge Trucks. Tired of the boring factory antenna? This EcoAuto bullet antenna is designed to give your Ford or Dodge truck a bold, patriotic look. It's the perfect addition to make your truck stand out. This antenna fits a wide range of Ford F-Series and Dodge Ram trucks. Please check the Amazon Parts Finder tool to ensure it fits your specific vehicle model and year. It's easy to install and designed for a perfect fit. Worried about theft? This antenna comes with a special anti-theft design to keep it securely mounted. You can drive with peace of mind knowing your investment is protected. The design ensures it stays in place. Made from high-quality 6061 billet aluminum, this antenna is built for extreme durability. It's coated with a hard anodized black finish to resist chipping, fading, and scratches. It's also fully car wash safe, so it's easy to maintain. While AM/FM reception may be slightly weaker in some areas, this antenna is fully compatible with Bluetooth, Sirius XM, and satellite radio. It's ideal for those who want a sleek, short antenna without sacrificing features. What we like. This antenna offers wide vehicle compatibility, ensuring a perfect fit for your truck. It adds a bold, patriotic style to your vehicle. If you want to make a statement with your truck's appearance, you should consider this. It's perfect for those who want to showcase their American pride. What people say. It is a simple way to make your vehicle slightly stand out. It helps that I have other mods too, but this one is a cheap, simple to install, durable little antenna that just makes your vehicle look a little different. Easy to install. Easy to install has all the adapters you can think of to match your car or truck. Number 2. Ajxn bullet antenna for Chevy Silverado GMC Sierra. This bullet antenna is crafted from high-quality billet aluminum, ensuring strength and durability. It's designed to resist weather and corrosion, guaranteeing a long lifespan. Moreover, it's short enough that you don't have to worry about garage door clearance. This antenna will make your truck stand out. The wide helix design gives it a cool look, perfect for off-road vehicles and trucks with hood-mounted antennas. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. Unlike standard aluminum antennas, this one has been through extensive testing. We've optimized its structure for superior performance in a short antenna design. You can expect improved reception. This antenna fits a wide range of Chevy, GMC, and Cadillac models from 1999 to 2022. It's designed to be a direct replacement for your existing antenna. Please check the list to see if it fits your vehicle. Installing this antenna is quick and easy. It only takes a few minutes. Simply unscrew your old antenna and replace it with this one, using the provided screws. What we like. This antenna is made of durable materials, ensuring longevity. The stylish design will make your truck stand out. If you're looking for an antenna that combines durability with a unique look, you should consider this. It's ideal for those who want a reliable and eye-catching upgrade. What people say. Looks great, fit my 2016 Jeep Wrangler. The pieces to allow it to fit works great. I had to use one of the black pieces and then it screwed right on. Fit my truck perfect. Looks amazing. This is the perfect replacement for my stock antenna. It looks great, works great, and sends a message. Number 1. Silver bullet antenna for trucks. Tired of static and poor reception? This antenna is designed to solve that problem. It's made with durable aluminum and a copper coil for superior conductivity. This antenna's unique bullet style will make your truck stand out. It's a great accessory that's sure to impress and give your ride a cool look. Don't worry about compatibility. This antenna comes with multiple screw adapters for a perfect fit. It also includes a thread locking compound to prevent theft. Built to withstand the elements, this antenna is IP68 waterproof rated. It's rust-proof and designed to look great, no matter the weather or car wash. Installing this antenna is a breeze. Simply remove your old antenna, choose the right adapter, screw it in, and attach the new one. It's that easy. What we like. This antenna is designed for enhanced AM/FM reception. The cool design will make your ride the center of attention. If you want a simple upgrade that looks great and improves your radio experience, you should consider this. It's perfect for those who want a stylish and functional antenna. What people say. Good quality as described. Perfect operation and impressive appearance. Easy to install, had for almost 3 years, no performance issues, quality on it is great, everyone sees it and loves it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.